Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Tata Electronics Private Limited. Okay, so they are hiring for mechanical, electrical, robotics fixtures. Okay, so if you have expertise in maintenance and experience in these areas, then you can apply for this opportunity. Plant maintenance engineers, eligibility be with 2 to 5 years of experience you should have, or diploma with 4 to 8 years of, suppose you have completed diploma and you have joined, then you should have minimum 4 years of experience, minimum 4, maximum 8. Okay, so they have provided this QR code. You can scan this code and apply. Otherwise I'll provide you the link, and these applications are open till 6th of July 2023. Okay, so here they have provided the link. Once we click on this link, then this page gets open, which is the official website. Career opportunities, engineer, plant maintenance, who can apply, that electrical, mechanical peoples. Okay, so you can read these responsibilities, what they actually need. Document periodic maintenance activities in plant shed, ensure to the highest level of efficiency in each of the activities related to the plant maintenance, responsible for adhering to the plant maintenance activities, and many more. You can read at least once before applying. Qualification required: diploma in electrical, mechanical or mechatronics, or BTech in electrical, mechanical or mechatronics. Experience for diploma people, here they have mentioned 6 to 8 years, but 4 to 8 years are also eligible. BTech 2 to 6 years. Additional technical requirements: experience in PLC controls, Siemens, Omron. Okay, knowledge on vision systems, on these knowledge in process equipments, knowledge in hydraulics and pneumatics would be good. Competencies: future ready teamwork, then customer empathy, then deep domain knowledge. All these things they have mentioned. You need to click here to apply for this job opportunity. So if you are interested, then please apply. I will provide the link in the description box below. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they can also apply if they are looking. And it is, you can see here, it is posted 2 days ago on 26th of June, so you can apply. Thank you.